Product vision. What product vision really means. Product vision describes a future state the product is trying to create and the value it should deliver for both users and the business. It helps teams make decisions and trade-offs by clarifying what the product is really for. It should stay stable enough to keep direction coherent, but still remain open to refinement as evidence changes. It is also broader and longer-lived than a product goal, which turns part of that vision into a nearer-term target. Why product vision matters in practice. A strong product vision aligns teams, stakeholders, and leaders around shared purpose and direction. It connects everyday work to something meaningful, helps people reject work that does not fit, and keeps priorities from drifting when pressure increases. It also gives the organization a clear way to communicate intent, while preserving enough coherence that adaptation does not turn into random change. The components that make product vision actionable. Product vision becomes useful when it is concrete enough to guide real choices. That means being clear about the target users and their context, the problem being addressed, and the value proposition that makes the product worth using. It should also show differentiators and business goals, make boundaries and non-goals visible, and include assumptions and success signals so progress can be inspected with evidence rather than optimism. Creating product vision collaboratively. The best product vision is not written in isolation. It is grounded in customer evidence, shaped through collaboration, and tested so different people interpret it in the same way. Good vision work makes trade-offs explicit, defines outcomes that can actually be inspected, and then iterates as new evidence appears. The goal is not premature detail, but a credible direction that reflects customer reality, business intent, and delivery constraints. Using product vision to steer roadmap and backlog. Product vision should actively shape both roadmap and backlog decisions. Backlog items should be traceable to the vision through user needs, expected outcomes, boundaries, or differentiators. Roadmap themes and bets should also reflect the vision's trade-offs rather than drift into disconnected activity. In Scrum, the product goal gives a more current focus within that broader direction, while outcomes, feedback, and assumptions are inspected to decide whether the path still makes sense. Common misuses of product vision. Product vision is often weakened by turning it into a slogan that sounds inspiring, but cannot guide decisions. It is also misused when dates and feature promises are pushed into the vision, when it replaces strategy instead of working with it, or when people keep repeating it without checking evidence. Another common problem is changing the vision too often, which removes continuity and creates churn. A useful vision stays directional, evidence-aware, and stable enough to anchor learning over time. Learn more on AgileSM.net.